Okay, first of all, we need to make Easter bread, the dough for Easter bread, because it will rise and it will take some time. I need to warm milk, 130 grams of milk, warm milk. Okay, we need to warm it. We need 7 grams of yeast. My yeast here. Okay, 7 grams. 6, 7. 100 grams of sugar, but it's all in all. But for the base, I will use like 30 grams. I think it will be enough. Okay, 30 grams of sugar. Yeah, 30 and 70 will be later. Okay, we will add milk. I need some flour. Or 50 grams will be enough for the base. 50! Yay! Now let's mix it. Leave it like for 15 minutes and then we will continue. Okay, during the base is rising, I need to melt how much? 80 grams of butter. Okay, I need my butter. I think here will be like 80 grams. Okay. Okay, we need 80 grams. Here are 50 and 63. Almost 80. Now let's melt it. Here is butter. We need 2 eggs. In this mixture, 1 egg and the other one. 70 grams of sugar. Okay, vanilla sugar. Or if you've got just vanilla extract, you can add it, because I don't have it. Okay, let's mix it. Okay, let's add butter. Let's add 350 grams of flour. Close it with the foil. We need a plastic foil, so I will put it here. My plastic foil is here. Okay, so we should leave it for, I don't know, like 3 hours. I think it would be enough to rise, and then we will continue. But I don't want to make just regular Easter bread. I want to make a filling, like lemon curd inside. So let's make it. I want to make a lemon curd, so for that I need 2 lemons and sugar and 2 eggs, and we will boil it a little bit. But first I need the lemon zest. Okay, I think it's enough. I need to put it here. All my lemon zest. I need to take this. It's very heavy. And we will make lemon juice. No, that's so hard. That's it. We need 150 grams of sugar. One egg and one more egg. And 120 grams of lemon juice. To mix it well. Butter. Add butter. Add the curd here. And you need to cover it with the foil. And it should get cooled. Oh, I've got dried mango and dried cranberry, so it's riced. Now I want to add dried mango here and dried cranberry, but it's better to add raisin, but I don't have it, but it's also good. And now I want to mix it. For that I will add oil to my hand and let's mix it. I like the dough, it's so soft. And I've got 2 forms for baking this Easter bread. One. So I will put a half in one form. Up. And a half to another form. Okay, let's put some Easter bread to bake. 1 and 2. That's my Easter bread. I need it to cool down and then I will put lemon curd inside and glaze it. Out of here. And we will cut a little bit from here. That's good. I love it. And let's make glazing for Easter bread. We will use 1 egg white and sugar powder, if I have. Yeah, I do. And lemon juice. That's all we need. So 100 grams of sugar powder.
Can I help you?
Can you give me a mixer? And lemon juice. Thank you. Let's glaze the Easter bread.
So here you are, dried mango and cranberry Easter bread with lemon curd inside is ready. For more ideas and easy recipes, go to my channel, subscribe it, give me a like and write a comment. Thank you for watching!